If you keep failing your driving assessment, you're not even trying. I had a chat with one of the assessors whose candidate didn't turn up for the test while my student was out in the test with another assessor. And we discussed about why so many people fail. And he shared this with me. Those who can drive and they keep failing, they're not even trying. They usually have 8 or 9 assessments every day, and the huge majority fails. How do you improve your awareness of what they expect you to do? Number one is check some videos on this YouTube channel, and I share things selflessly, and everything that I claim, I'd be happy to put my signature underneath every statement that I make. He watched one of my videos where I'm coaching one of my students and going through the procedures thoroughly, and he said to me, if people can drive relatively well, and if they watch these videos, and if they implement what you say, it'll be harder to fail than pass. And as long as you focus on correct repetition, you shouldn't have a problem with passing. Now, there are people out there who overestimate their ability. A good chunk of people who don't know what to do, who are totally unaware of procedures in driving tests, are those who overestimate their ability. Somebody should really tell them if they can drive or not, because a lot of people can't navigate the way out of the car park, from the licensing center. And often when I'm waiting for my students to come back from the test, I see people coming back within 2 or 3 minutes, or sometimes they don't even make it out of the car park in the first place. If people who can drive reasonably well, meaning they don't struggle with directional stability, they're not too bad with their positional awareness, if they watch them, they should be able to pass. If they repeated it a few times with somebody who knows, what's required, and if they can correct those mistakes as they do it, and if they focused on correct repetition, there shouldn't be any problems. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.